Hello everyone, we are here at the Enagic headquarters, and as you can see I have our new Leveluk Junior 4, our newest addition to the family. Many of you had questions about what was the difference, what did it look like, is it bigger, is it smaller. So here in this video we have a comparison of our current Junior 2 and our newest addition, the Junior 4. As you can see, they're exact the same size. We did get a little facelift here. If you notice the difference, the color, this one used to be all black, and this one has a nice, more Enagic blue color in it. Also, the big difference and the most amazing difference is that the new Junior has 4 plates. Yes, it has a bigger plate and it has an extra plate that would definitely make it more efficient. The water will be running faster. You will be able to make your acidic, your beauty, your clean water, your Kangen water at a faster rate, and of course more powerful, more charge. Get yours today. Also, don't forget to order your Enagic essentials, for your demos, your e-cleaner, everything that you need along with your machine. And definitely order yours today.